Work smarter, not harder, a saying that encourages efficiency over brute force. AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini can definitely turn that saying into reality. Regardless of your occupation, almost everybody engages in project work. But how do you integrate AI into project work? How do you integrate it without rotting your brain? This first video introduces the Project Work Artificial Intelligence Integration Framework, known as PAIIF for short. This first video introduces the framework. PAIIF is based off the Conceive, Designing, Implementing and Operating CDIO framework. In this video, we cover PAIIF application and implementation. The application of PAIIF involves considering 3 questions. What experience do you have? What are your objectives? And consider the AI integration opportunity. If you're experienced, jump straight to step 2. If you are new to AI, then start small, focusing on 1 or 2 items from the conceiving stage. If you are a professional worker, this gives you the opportunity to understand prompting, strengths, and weaknesses. If you are a teacher, this will give you the opportunity to consider complications such as assessment, delivery, and logistics. Now, look at the PAIIF stages and activities and connect them to your objectives. If you are a teacher, you will map these to your learning objectives. When a match is found, consider the matching AI integration opportunity. Future videos will provide application examples of each opportunity. Implementation is all about co-intelligence. Co-intelligence is about using AI to help humans and not replace them. Let me explain why. Consider 3 metrics: speed to complete the task quickly, risk in ensuring that the output is correct and as expected, and learning and retention to be able to remember what we did when we're speaking to a client or to our senior manager. If we use our mind only, it's the safest approach, assuming you have the experience and skill, and it's the best way to retain the outcome, but it is a slow process. If we use AI only, we will get to the outcome quickly, but will it serve its purpose and be correct? This has ended careers. You would also struggle to remember the output if you needed to discuss it later. This is why we apply co-intelligence. The next possible approach is to use our mind to undertake the foundational work and polish the outcome with AI. This increases the speed to output, helps with retention, but the output still needs checking. If we use AI first, especially if we are not experts, we can gain some great insights. We can then lower the risk by applying our mind. We need to apply critical thinking skills and connect to traditional sources to ensure the output is as it should be, but you would still find it somewhat difficult to retain the information. The final option and the best application is to undertake the foundational work with our mind, polish it with AI, and then correct and confirm the final output. This balanced approach is the best application of co-intelligence. Before prompting, consider the ethical implications. For example, are you using a tool that sandboxes your information and makes it safe so company information is not being shared across the world? Are you aware of bias and other consequences of generative AI use and the implications this can have on your output? You also need to consider the best way to prompt the AI. The best approach changes across tools, and it also changes over time. You can use some well-known prompting strategies, but over time you'll adapt with experience. Finally, remember, you are in control of the output. You need to apply evaluative judgment to ensure relevance, ensure it's fit for purpose, that it's holistic, ethical, feasible, culturally sensitive, and has source validity and meets standards. Future videos will provide explicit examples for each activity. Like and subscribe to ensure you gain access to these videos as they are released. If you would like to learn more about PAIIF, more details are provided in the description. Until next time.